Hi everyone, it's Sue here from Checking My English, and I'm here with another video tutorial from issue 4 of Checking My English magazine. We're looking at secrets of native speaker pronunciation and how native speakers connect their speech by linking sounds. This is part 3 of linking sounds, and we're looking at vowel-to-vowel linking with an added or intrusive w sound. I wonder if you've ever felt like this woman when you listen to native speakers speaking English. You can hear a continuous stream of sound but find it difficult to identify individual words. If a non-native speaker says this, it will sound more like this: hear a continuous stream of sound and find it difficult to identify individual words. This is something that we use as native speakers. It helps us to speak more quickly. It's a bit like when you learn how to write and join up your handwriting. It helps you to write a lot more quickly than when you print. So if you want to improve your listening and if you want to sound more fluent, this is a skill to develop. But how do we do this? Well, let me share the secret with you. And remember that we're building on skills that we mentioned in previous issues. And last time we looked at vowel-to-vowel links with an extra y sound. We've also looked at how we link words that end in a consonant when the next word starts in a vowel. So if you haven't seen these before, then you might like to look at previous issues of the magazine or my previous tutorials. So this particular kind of linking ends when one word ends in a particular vowel sound and the next starts with a vowel sound. So in these two sentences, you can see that who ends with a vowel sound oo, and is starts with a vowel sound I. So when we say these, who is it? Who is it? There is no break between the words. And you can hear a little w sound between who and is. Who is it? Who is it? Between the word you, which ends in an oo sound, and only, which starts with an o, you can hear that w again. You only live once. You only live once. So here's the trick. There's a very soft w sound that links the two words together. If a word ends in a, or oo, or o, or ow. For a native speaker, the mouth automatically forms this w shape during the transition. And if you look at the picture, you want your lips in a soft position, almost as if you're about to give someone a little kiss. Not a big, passionate, sloppy kiss, just a polite kiss. When we make the sound w. So, as I said, it's just a soft w sound. It's not a really strong, deliberate w sound. So it's who is it, not who is it. Who is it? You only live once, not you only live once. You only live once. Who is it? You only live once. Would you like to practice those now? Say after me. Who is it? You only live once. Now, it may seem quite difficult to do this, but when you practice, it actually makes the sound transition from one sound to the next easier. Let's practice with some more sentences. How are you? Please go in and sit down. Now here, if you remember back to when we had our lesson on consonant to vowel links, we've got a consonant to vowel link here between in and. So we actually have 3 words all linked here. Go in and, go in and. Please go in and sit down. We want to build on previous skills, so make sure that you're remembering to incorporate all the previous links that I've talked to you about. How awful for him. Show us how to do it. Show us how to do it. We've got 2 links in this sentence. We were so unprepared. We were so unprepared. I need to email them today. I need to email them today. To enter the site, click here. To enter the site, click here. Now you're going to practice again without the prompts. And I'd like to make a little suggestion. Try recording yourself as you do this. And make sure that you're not pausing between the words. And also check in the mirror and make sure that your lips are making this shape. Follow me again. How are you? Please go in and sit down. How awful for him. Show us how to do it. We were so unprepared. I need to email them today. To enter the site, click here. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you'd like to find out more, you might like to check out other issues of the magazine. We have lots of tips on using your English for work, how to improve your pronunciation, how to improve your phone listening, how to sound more diplomatic. And each month I interview a real-life professional about their experience of working in an English-speaking role. All you have to do is just hover your mouse over the links here, and that will take you to where you can purchase the magazine. So see you next time, everyone. Hope you have fun practicing the tips in this tutorial.